What's going on, guys? Tyler from Eds. Wanted to talk about the differences between a component system and a coaxial system, and what does that all mean. You're going to see a lot of different speakers ask if it's going to be a component or a coaxial, and honestly you have to go out to the vehicles to obviously confirm. But first and foremost, a component system means that there's going to be a mid driver and a tweeter that's separated either with a cap or the crossover. A coaxial means that you have the tweeter built in all together inside the mid driver. Advantages, disadvantages. The coaxial is going to be space saving. You're going to have, again, the tweeter built into the mid driver, so no separate crossover, no separate tweeter. The advantages with the component is they're obviously going to sound better. Disadvantages is obviously separate tweeter, more space, a little bit more wiring, and obviously they're going to cost a little bit more. Crossover, and what are the functions of it? So a crossover is going to take full range input either off of an aftermarket amplifier, a factory radio, aftermarket radio, and it's going to split it between a mid-bass signal for your speaker or woofer and your tweeter. So that's all it pretty much does. You're going to see the kind of inner workings of it. We have a couple up here too as well, you can kind of see. It has little caps and filters, so it's going to take the input. It's going to take the input, send it to the woofer, split it, and the tweeter. It also gives you a little bit of adjustment too on the tweeter side. If you feel like your tweeters are what we call a little too bright, the tweeters are a little harsh or a little bit high, you can actually tone them down a little bit too. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for checking it out. This is Tyler from Eds, and please subscribe. Check us out on Instagram at SouthBay and give us a call, 310-542-5588. Thank you.